Hey guys, happy Friday. This is the start of a very special build. I'm very excited. Finally got the motor out of the RX-7. Been dragging my feet a little bit, but it's out. Trans is over here as well. Fifth gear is gonna need a rebuild as well, so that's why that's out. The bay is gonna be getting some treatment, but just wanted to talk about this whole thing. So, motor's out. Now this is a Pettit Racing 13B. This was a brand new motor back in, I think, about 2005 or so. It's been street ported by Pettit Racing. It was running a Pettit Racing tuned Apexi Power FC. It has the Pettit Racing upgraded twin turbos. It's also a simplified twin turbo setup. Other than that, it's a pretty stock setup. When I got it, it had a front mount intercooler and it was struggling with temps a little bit. So I took that out. I got the Pettit Racing intercooler system, the good stuff, had everything Cerakoted. Got it running really well, and eventually it detonated, and that was the end of these apex seals. So that brings us to now. I didn't get to enjoy it for too long before it detonated on this new setup, but boy was I excited to keep going. So that left one thing to do is pull the motor. So, past couple days I prepped to pull the motor. A couple of guys, Nick came over, Hunter came over, helped me pull it. I got it on the stand today, and I'm just looking at it. I wanted to talk about what's going into this setup. It's going to be same setup here. We're gonna crack it open and see what's broken. It might need a housing, it might need turbos, it'll probably need turbos. Actually, before when I was filling this play, felt like there was more, but this actually spins pretty smoothly. So these turbos may be good. Regardless, we're going with a Turboloan 8474. Single turbo internal wastegate kit. I want to do away with all the vacuum lines under here and just have this a simple setup. I just want to be able to use it. I'm not planning going for big power, running 8 to 10 pounds of boost, 350, 400. Just a spooly fun setup. Revs to, I'm leaving it factory RPM of 8,600, but I don't even know if that turbo is efficient for all there. It's probably like good to about 8,000. I'm just excited to enjoy the car, so it'll be touring setup, be able to drive across the country. I'm going to powder coat everything on here. It's gonna be really pretty when we're done with it, and I'm just excited. The car is gonna get painted first this year while I'm doing the motor build. We're gonna paint the bay, and then next year we're gonna do a windows out full paint job. But you'll find out what color we're painting the car once we paint the bay. It's not too different than this, don't worry, but it's gonna be just right. Anyway, we're gonna be running the RX Parts Apex seals from Roan. My buddy Norman's gonna come over and we're gonna do this whole rebuild in the garage right here. So we're gonna tear it down. Next video will be